Hey guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to be going over the very basic mathematical formulas in Google Sheets. We will create a simple budget and expenses formula to track money coming in and what is going out. This is an easy way to manage your money in an easy to use sheet that you can create yourself. Let's get started with today's video. If you haven't already, get onto the Google Sheets home screen. Click on Add Blank Sheet. Let's call this Yearly Budgeting. On the top cell, merge a few cells together. I will merge from A to H in the top row. Next, add the title Yearly Budgeting. Add in a fill color to give it a better look. Let's select this one here. Let's also change the font size to 20 and make it bold. Let's add the months into the cells vertically, starting from cell number A4 and work your way down. I will do this now. Next, in row 2, add in months, total money in, mortgage, bills, groceries, savings, entertainment, and total. This is just very basic, and you can customize this however you like. Next, we are going to use cell references to calculate multiple cells across this row. Next to the January month, start typing in amounts. I'm going to add 6,000 to the money in column, 1,500 to mortgage, 400 to bills, 400 to groceries, 500 to savings, and 400 to entertainment. Next, under the total section, we are going to create a formula to simply calculate the difference between our total money in from our expenses. Type in equals B4 minus sum, open bracket, C4, colon G4, and then close the bracket. Or you can simply type in the equal sign, click on the cell you want to start the formula, which is B4. Next, type minus sum, open bracket, click on the next cell you wish to start this section with, which is cell C4. Hold Shift and click on the end cell, which is G4. This will merge all of this data inside the sum function. Close the formula with another close bracket if you haven't done this, and press Enter. This will calculate all of this easily. Let's go ahead and add some other information in here to make it unique. Fill in all of this information every month if you wish. I will quickly speed through this section of the video. I think for this video we should do a bonus. You can see in this cell here we are actually in a negative balance, which is never a good thing. We should add in a fill color when any number goes in negative. This will give you a warning so you don't spend all of your money. Let's highlight all cells in the total section that have values from H4 to H15. When they are highlighted, go to Format on the top menu. Near the bottom will be Conditional Formatting. Click this. On the right side will display Conditional Formatting Rules. For this simple conditional, under Format Rules, click if the value is less than 0. Add in a red fill color to this cell and select Done. We now have this cell highlighted in red. This is a pretty handy feature. That's it for today's video. In the next video, we will continue with some more basic formulas, formatting, and other basic features. We will be creating advanced Google Sheets tutorials in future videos. So make sure you press like and subscribe and turn notifications on so you never miss another video. See you guys in the next video, and thanks for watching.